Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to revisit a lock from video 196, which I'll link up here. It's a Master 570. These locks will always be near and dear to my heart. It's the first lock I ever picked with spool pins in it. Man, not the same lock, that one's long gone. I wish I still had it, but I don't. But when I was first getting into lock picking a long time ago, before locksmithing or anything, I picked one of those up at Sears, and it took me a long time to ever get it open, and I never knew why it was so hard, so I didn't even know what a spool pin was back then. But anyways, 5-pin core, very fun to pick. And hadn't planned on remaking a video on this. I was just cleaning up and just found it. It's been just buried on my desk for who knows how long. So, with these padlocks, the top of the keyway, that your tension wrench is almost on the first pin, if not on it. So you can really make sure that you get that first pin. And 4, drop this into a false set. On 5, let's go back to 1. Not binding. 2, nothing. Okay, 3 is counter rotation. Still in a false set, so it might be 2 spools in this guy. There's 1 again, and we're open. So it's like 1 and 3 are spool pins in this. But anyway, so that's picked there, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel here. I do have a new lock coming in the mail. It's an old American 600 with a tubular core that doesn't have a key, so I'm going to try to impression that and make a key. So subscribe so you don't miss it if it's something that you're interested in. And that will do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.